Welcome to Hungry Kids channel.
Today Mom is cooking homemade curry, her own twist in Japanese flavors. Since it takes time to prepare, he needs to go out with Daddy. He needs a to-go snack. Now Mommy can start cooking. Because onions make her tear up, my mom avoids cutting them by using a helpful tool. Don't you think this is so cool? Even though my mom has tried different things like chilling onions or wearing special eyeglasses, she still tears up when cutting them. Cut all the vegetables and put them in a deep pot. Ingredients don't have to be specific or exact. It could be almost any leftover vegetable in the fridge. Add some salt. Cook low heat for 30 minutes. This way you can bring out the full flavor of vegetables. Daddy discovered peas in our yard, so she decided to cook them together with rice. I love turmeric and cumin rice. It goes really well with curry because the flavors match perfectly. These beans were soaked half a day in advance. Boiling beans involves 2 steps. First time is for removing the alkaline substance. This time there is no need to use a pressure cooker. Once it reaches a boil, drain the water. After draining, water the beans and then put them back into the pot again. For the second step, you'll need to make the beans soft. You can do this by using a pressure cooker for 5 minutes or boiling them in a regular pot for 20 minutes. While waiting for the vegetables and beans to be cooked, she is sauteing garlic and ginger with butter. Mommy always has garlic-infused soy sauce ready. You can use normal garlic, of course. These 3 ingredients are important for making the curry taste amazing. When the vegetables have finished boiling, add the garlic and ginger. Add the beans and mix all together. Mommy usually sautés beef or pork and adds them to the pot. But since she had leftover pork steak from the previous day, she decided to reuse it. Add rice flour or wheat flour. Both contribute to the texture of Japanese curry. Mommy uses a coffee mill to grind rice into rice flour. If you're wondering where the baby boy is, he was at the park with Daddy while Mommy was cooking. Daddy has a great sense of timing and always comes home at the right moment. After coming back, he was supposed to take a shower, but he is refusing to do so this time. Finally, he decided to go to shower and Mommy's back to cooking. Rice is done. Looks delicious. Uh-oh, he already came back.
はい、来て来て。
While he is eating, Mommy continues cooking. Add curry powder and cumin powder. If you want to make it more spicy, add cayenne powder or chili pepper. Add a can of tomatoes. Miso is also a very important ingredient for this recipe. Adding miso makes the curry taste like Japanese curry. Mommy makes homemade miso from soybeans, which takes a year to complete. It has a wonderfully smooth and delicious taste. He is getting bored with just rice. Yay, his favorite carrot. Add Japanese sake. It could be wine or any alcohol. Start by heating it over medium heat, and once it reaches a boiling point, reduce the heat to low. It's better to simmer for 30 minutes, but he cannot wait, so Mommy decided to give him all ready. To make the curry less spicy for the baby, she adds banana and yogurt. Alternatively, she uses apples or other fruits. Honey can also be used. Final touch. Almost done. It looks yummy. He looks so happy. He is focusing on curry too much.
それカレーだよ。カレー。
Mommy doesn't like wasting food, so she cleans it for him. After he finished, he asked for more. Mango for dessert. He really eats a lot.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
いただきます。カレー。おいしい。There are various ways to remake curry such as katsu curry, curry doria, curry soup, or curry udon. However, my mommy loves to make a unique version with pumpkin and coconut milk, resulting in a creamy and incredibly tasty dish. He always sneaks bites of food before it's ready without waiting. But he's so cute. Taste it first, and if the flavor is too mild, add some soy sauce. If you add nampla, it will give the curry a taste similar to Thai curry. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.